Do you suffer from joint pain, swelling, or maybe even kidney stones? Believe it or not, the real culprit might be hiding in your blood, high uric acid levels. But don't worry, in this video, we are revealing the top 10 foods that naturally reduce uric acid and help you fight off gout, arthritis, and more. So before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Because trust me, you don't want to miss our future health hacks. What is uric acid and why it matters? First things first, what exactly is uric acid? It's a natural waste product formed when your body breaks down purines, chemicals found in certain foods like peas, mushroom, and seafoods. Normally, your body filters uric acid out through urine, but when levels get too high, it can lead to gout, kidney stones, and painful inflammation in your joints. Signs of high uric acid include swollen, tender joints, especially toes and ankles, redness and burning around a joint, kidney stone symptoms like severe back pain, frequent urination, or even fever. The good news, you can control uric acid with the right foods. So let's get into the countdown. Number 10. Green tea. Let's start with one of the world's highest drinks, green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants called catechins, especially EGCG, which literally slow down the enzymes that produce uric acid. Studies show that people who drink green tea regularly have significantly lower uric acid levels. Plus, its refresh boosts metabolism and is linked to a longer lifespan. So, swap your soda or energy drink with a calming cup of green tea. Your joints will thank you. Number 9. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. Apple cider vinegar has become a global health trend, and here's why it makes this list. ACV may help flush out uric acid, reduce inflammation, and even support weight loss, which is a huge factor in keeping uric acid low. Here's a quick recipe. Mix 1 teaspoon of ACV in a glass of water and drink it before meals. But careful, never drink it raw. It's super acidic and can damage your teeth or throat. Always dilute it. And yes, you can add a teaspoon of honey if the taste is too harsh. Number 8. Vitamin C rich foods. Vitamin C not just for fighting colds. It's a game changer for uric acid. Vitamin C helps your body in two powerful ways. First, it lowers uric acid levels in your blood by boosting how much of it your kidney flush out. Second, it reduces inflammation in your joints, which means fewer painful gout flare-ups. Research proves that vitamin C lowers uric acid levels by helping your blood flush it out faster. So load up on oranges, lemon, bell peppers, kiwi, and guava. In fact, one study shows that drinking fresh lemon juice every day reduces uric acid levels in just 6 weeks. Start your morning with a glass of warm water and lemon. It alkalizes the body and keeps uric acid in check. Number 7. Fiber-rich foods. If you want your body to kick uric acid out, fiber is your best friend. Fiber does not just keep your digestion happy, it's also a secret weapon against uric acid. Here's why fiber is so important. When you eat fiber, it acts like a sponge inside your body. It absorbs excess uric acid from your bloodstream and helps carry it out through your digestive system. The results: lower uric acid levels, fewer crystals forming in your joints, and much less risk of painful gout flare-ups. Fiber-rich foods. Foods like oats, broccoli, cucumber, apples, and pears actually help absorb uric acid from your bloodstream and push it out from your system. So instead of refined junk foods, fill your plate with whole grains, leafy greens, and fresh fruits. Number 6. Cherries. Cherries are a game changer. They contain anthocyanins, powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that prevent uric acid crystals from building up in your joints. Cherries fruit that's not only delicious but also a proven uric acid fighter. One study found that people who ate cherries or drink cherries juice had a 75 low risk of gout attacks when combined with medication. How can you use it? you have got options. Eat a handful of fresh cherries as a daily snack. Drink a glass of tart cherry juice in the morning. Or add dried cherries to your oatmeal, smoothies or salads. Number 5. Fresh vegetable juices. Want a natural detox? Try mixing carrot, cucumber and beetroot juice. This colorful combo not only reduce uric acid but also boost your liver and kidneys health, which are essential for filtering uric acid out of your body. So instead of buying those sugary packed juices that only raise uric acid, go natural with fresh vegetable juices. Your body will feel cleansed, your kidneys will thank you, and your joints will finally get some relief. Make it a morning habit. Your joints will feel lighter and healthier. Number 4. Low-fat dairy. We have something that might surprise a lot of people. Low-fat dairy products. Yes, milk, yogurt and even low-fat cherries can actually help lower uric acid levels. Studies show that drinking skim milk or eating yogurt not only reduce uric acid levels but also encourages your body to extract it faster. So a daily glass of low-fat milk or a bowl of yogurt could literally prevent gout flare-ups. Number 3. Olive oil. When it comes to cooking oils, ditch the butter and margarine and switch to olive oil. It's packed with antioxidants and healthy fats that reduce inflammation, flush out toxins, and protect your joints. So how should you use it? Cook your meals with olive oil instead of regular cooking oil or ghee. Drizzle it over salads, vegetables, or even soups for extra flavor and health benefits. Or mix a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil into your morning smoothie for an anti-inflammatory boost. Number 2. Omega-3 rich foods. Salmon, flax seeds, walnuts. These are not just good for your heart, but also imagine for your joints. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce swelling, stiffness and pain caused by high uric acid. If you cannot get enough from food, consider a high quality omega-3 supplement, but always talk to your doctor first. Number 1. Water. And finally, the number 1 most powerful uric acid destroyer is water. Yes, as simple as it sounds, staying hydrated is the best way to flush uric acid crystals out of your body. Aim for 8 or 10 glasses a day. Carry a water bottle, sip every hour, and make hydration a lifestyle. Because without enough water, none of other foods on this list can do their job properly. So if you do nothing else from this list, at least do this. Drink more water. Your joints, your kidneys and your future self will thank you for it. Foods to avoid. Now listen carefully. If you want to see results, you must also avoid the foods that skyrocket uric acid. That means alcohol, especially beer and liquor, organ meats like liver and kidneys, certain seafood like shrimp, carp or lobsters, sugary drinks, sodas and packed fruit juices. Cut these out and your chances of getting uric acid go way up. So there you have it, the top 10 foods that lower uric acid and protect your joints and kidneys naturally. Which one are you adding to your diet today? Tell me in the comments below. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more health secrets, and share this video with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching.